Good morning, students. This is your GK class. Today we will learn currencies before the euro. Chapter 10. So, students, open page number 11. Chapter 10, page number 11. The euro is the common currency used by 19 countries of Europe. Before the euro was introduced, these countries had their own currencies that are now no longer in use. How much do you know about these old currencies? Tick the correct option with the help of the given clues. So, first is this country used the Deutschmark before it was replaced by the euro. Right answer is Germany. Deutschmark. Deutschmark. The German Deutschmark was the pre-euro currency of West Germany from 1948 until 1990 and then of the Unified Federal Republic of Germany from 1990 until 2002. So right answer is Germany. You have to write here tick. Second is escudo was the old currency of this country. The capital of this country is Lisbon. Spain. Spain. Portugal. Right answer is Portugal. Escudo was the old currency of this Escudo was the old currency of this country, Portugal. The Escudo was the currency of Portugal from 1911 until 2002. The Escudo replaced the real at a rate of 1000 real to 1 escudo following a republican revolution which took place in 1910. Right answer is Portugal. Third is lira was the old currency of this country. The Colosseum can be found here. Right answer is Italy. Italy and Croatia. Right answer is Italy. Lira was the pre-euro currency of Italy from 1861 until 2002. In 1861, Italy ceased to be a collection of individual states and become, became the unified kingdom of Italy 1861 to 1946. Right answer is Italy. Lira was the old currency of Italy. Fourth is this country used the francs before adopting the euro. Right answer is France. Right answer is France. The France franc can trace its history back to the ransom of King John of France in 1360, when the first pence was used to secure the king's release, releases. According to legend, the name for the France comes from Prancurium Rex, a Latin phrase meaning king of the Franks. So right answer is France. 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 Yes, number fifth is this country is home to the Parthenon. It used the drachma as its currency before adopting the euro. Yes, right answer is Greece. 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 You have to tick here. Greece. The Greek drachma is the former basic unit of currency in Greece. The Greek drachma was also an ancient currency unit used in many Greek city states. November 25, 2019. So children, your chapter has completed.